This is Bealach na Bar, Gaelic for Pass of the Cattle. Tucked away in the Scottish Highlands is one of the highest and most dramatic roads in the UK. Built in 1822, it was originally a drover's route used to move livestock through the mountains. Not much has changed since then. Unlike most modern roads, Bealach na Bar doesn't ease its way through the land. It climbs steeply, twisting and turning through the ancient peaks before dropping sharply down to the remote village of Applecross. The gradient is fierce, up to 20% in places, and the road is narrow, single track with sharp switchbacks. It's often closed in the winter due to snow, ice or landslides, and even in summer it demands total concentration for those who pass. But for those who do make the journey, it offers something rare, a glimpse of untouched wilderness, a silence you can feel, and a sense of perspective that only mountains can give. This is more than a road. It's a rite of passage, a descent not just into Applecross, but into something older, quieter and deeper. Scotland at its wildest.